Welcome to Nextgen Motors, where we bring you the latest car reviews with clarity, style, and substance. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic hatchbacks in automotive history, the Volkswagen Golf. A car that blends performance, practicality, and precision engineering in one smart package. Let's start with the exterior design. The Volkswagen Golf has always been known for its timeless shape, and the latest generation takes that legacy even further. Sleek LED headlights, a sharper grille, and a clean body profile give it a more athletic and modern look. The sloping hood and sculpted sides enhance the aerodynamics, while the new LED taillights at the rear bring a premium feel. Available in various trims like the R-Line or GTI, the Golf can shift from elegant to sporty depending on your taste. Now step inside, and you'll see how far this hatchback has come in terms of interior innovation. The cabin is minimal yet tech-savvy, with high-quality materials and soft-touch surfaces. The dashboard is dominated by a digital instrument cluster and a responsive touchscreen infotainment system. Features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice controls, and ambient lighting come standard on higher trims. The design is clean, functional, and very driver-focused. The seating is supportive and ergonomic. In the front, both driver and passenger get ample space and visibility, with multiple seat adjustment options. Move to the rear, and you'll find impressive headroom and legroom for a hatchback, making it suitable for adults as well. Rear air vents, USB-C ports, and a folding armrest with cup holders add extra convenience. Under the hood, the Golf offers a range of engine options, depending on the market. Most versions come with Volkswagen's efficient TSI petrol engines, which strike a perfect balance between fuel economy and performance. For those who want more thrill, the GTI or GolfR models provide turbocharged power and sport-tuned suspension systems that truly elevate the driving experience. The ride is smooth, steering is responsive, and handling is precise, just what you'd expect from a German-engineered car. On the safety front, Volkswagen includes its IQ.DRIVE system, offering advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, front assist, and blind spot monitoring. This makes the Golf not only enjoyable but also a safe choice for everyday driving. In terms of practicality, the boot space is generous for a hatchback. Fold down the rear seats, and it transforms into a small cargo hauler, perfect for city life or weekend adventures. In short, the Volkswagen Golf remains a leader in its segment. It's a car that does everything well: refined, efficient, fun to drive, and packed with technology. Thanks for tuning into Nextgen Motors. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car content and detailed breakdowns. Until next time, drive smart, stay safe.